Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for tuning in. You are watching Passive Earnings. In this video, I'm gonna talk about why I'm down over $1,000 and why do I love it. So here's a look at my portfolio. Today I'm down 0.65%, which is over $1,000. I hit all-time high this morning. I was up $166,238, and since then the market has tanked a little bit. The prices are all down. Pretty much every sector, every stock is in red, and what you see here is a gold mine. So what I did is I had 12 contract before today. I had 12 contract for SOXL put option at $33.50, which I added one more and made $10 here, and then that $10 went back in buying more of SPY, my S&P 500 index ETF that I hold. And then I did another call option when this morning QQQ was up. I sold the covered call on QQQ at $491 strike price. This was one of the highest paid daily covered call option that I did. I was a bit scared when I initially started it. It gave me $5 or $4.97 to be precise after the premium, the cut that Robinhood takes. But I was happy with the $5, and then I invested that $5 right back in QQQ. So I bought $5 worth of QQQ, which you can see here, $4.97 worth of QQQ. So that's where I added some additional shares to my existing 104.6 shares of QQQ. I am down close to $670 today, but I'm okay with that because I bought some more shares today. Although I'm adding covered calls, so I'm generating roughly $3 or $2 every single day. Some days like today are exceptions when I make $5 just selling covered call on QQQ, and these $5, $3, $2 don't add up or don't look much. But if you think about it, for the 252 days trading days that you have, if you are making $3 on average, that's $756. So that's a good chunk. Basically buys me almost 2 shares of QQQ, which I do not mind at all. So that was the move for QQQ. I gave you some idea on the more contract option by selling one more put at the same strike price, $33.50 for SOXL. And one thing that I told you in my last video, that I may let this SOXL call option exercised, but I didn't do that. I rolled this option to 8:30, which means the next Friday. And what I did with that is I collected, if you come here, or maybe if I go to notification here, let me show you that. When I opened one contract, not this one, it is to be somewhere here, and so Excel, yep, this one. So I was able to make $95 with the same option, with the same strike price, just the expiration date extended one more week. So $95 on the existing SOXL 100 shares. I wish I had more shares here, and I could have made, if I had 10 contracts here, I would have made $1,000 in a day. That's more than what my full-time jobs pay me in a day. So that's really good. I'm super happy with this, and I also wanted to show you guys the overall selling calls and put options premium calculator, or more than a calculator. It's a tracker for every single month and every single day. I update this. So this was the only option I did yesterday. On August 21st, I made only $2, less than $2, which reinvested back in QQQ. Today with the selling covered call on QQQ at 491 strike price, I was able to make $4.97. And then on SOXL, as I showed you, I rolled the option for $95 or $94.94 after the option contract closing and buying and selling a new one. So 6 cents went there. And then on line 27, what you see here is I added one more contract that gave me $10 or $9.97 to be precise. So month today, the total balance that I have generated is $1,400. I'm not saying this is a strategy to beat S&P 500, but if you think about it, $1,400 is a lot of money for a week. And stocks that I'm playing options with are not really scary stocks, or some companies or the ETFs that I don't want to hold. So if SOXL get assigned to me tomorrow, these 13 contracts, I will have 1,300 shares. I will sell a covered call right after that, and maybe above my strike price or my cost price what I bought them for, and I'm generating good amount of cash for that. So whatever you are seeing here in the buying power, that's how much I have made as well this week. And all of that money that I have made, I have reinvested back in buying SPY. I am 20 shares up now, over 20 shares, and I'm doing a $110 daily buy order, which is a recurring order for SPY ETF. I'm building my position in SPY, but if you see here, the options that you see here, like $110 is every day recurring payment, right? But then $10 from Excel, one contract that I sold cash secured put on, and then $95 that I sold. I rolled over the position of my covered call of SOXL at $35 for the next week. So all of this is also getting invested buying more shares of SPY, plus the $110 daily recurring revenue. So this portfolio is building up with SPY now. If you look here, the portfolio diversity is close to 10% or 9.36% to be precise. And I'm building and adding more funds every month, plus investing the premium that I collect. So this week I collected, this month I collected $1,396. So this went all back in buying SPY, and that's what the plan is, to get to 100 shares of SPY, as I already have 100 shares of QQQ, and then I start selling daily covered calls on SPY as well, with a minimum delta value to make $2 or $3 every single day, so that I can accumulate more shares, reinvest those premium back in buying SPY. My cash will be released hopefully soon, tomorrow after 4 o'clock at Eastern time. And then this cash that you see here, 33.5 per share, and I have 1,300 shares or 13 contracts. So all of this cash money will be released, will be buying power for me on Monday, and I'll do the same. If it's a red day, I'll sell cash secured puts and covered calls, and I am extremely happy with the performance of my portfolio so far. And if you guys have any questions, queries, do let me know. I am going to make more videos about it, and if you want to have a one-on-one session with me, feel free to select the first link down in the description below. You can have a scheduled call with me, and we can connect one-on-one to discuss your personal finance, and I can guide you the way that I'm making these decisions. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys will like this video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.